Before you start Googling how to remove a wasp nest, make sure it is actually a wasp nest. If it is bees, call a beekeeper. They remove them for free. Most people do not know the difference and end up attacking protected pollinators. A spring wasp nest in April or May is the size of a walnut, with exactly 1 queen and 0 defensive workers. Removing one now takes 30 seconds. The same nest in August contains 5,000 angry yellow jackets. Do the math. If you're doing this yourself, go out after sundown. Wasps are basically blind at night and will not swarm. Wear long sleeves, gloves, and goggles. A hoodie from Costco is not a wasp suit, we promise. Please do not light the nest on fire. We see this every summer. Gasoline, hoses, and baseball bats all end the same way with an emergency room visit. If the nest is bigger than a golf ball or hidden inside a wall, call a pro. Guard removes wasp nests same day, starting at $49 for our subscription customers. That is cheaper than one emergency room copay, which is where most DIY attempts end up.